Happy Vlogtober 14th, my beautiful people. Grand Rising. It's 11 something in the morning.
We're awake.
The kids, well, Lyrical and Delana were up before Beba and I. Beba and I too. Beba and I. What?
Are you okay?
Sorry, y'all. I was interrupted. Missionary outside smoking nicotine now, but yeah, we just got up, and it's gonna be raining all day. We're supposed to be doing laundry, but that's not gonna happen today because it's gonna get wet, and it's gonna be hard to push the cart and hold an umbrella for Biba, and I'm not gonna do an extra added on stress for her. Yesterday she had a migraine she was fighting, and I had to help her through that, so I'm not gonna make her be stressed out today. So we got to wait till tomorrow then. I don't think we're gonna be doing much today. Probably just chilling and lounging because of the rain. Yes, I don't know how much vlogging there's going to be. We don't go nowhere. Our life is really limited. That's why I don't vlog like that. It sucks. That's why I'm trying to get more clients, man, so we can get transportation, so we can do things. I want to take the kids to the playground, the library, the park, it's just frustrating we don't have our own transportation. It's frustrating and overwhelming and annoying and irritating all at once. But it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. She is always on my side of the bed.
Okay,
always.
So the person that's using my account,
and
my friend,
he
has
is always
hours
on her side of the bed. Always.
And 123 hours on God. 2K.
What is wrong with this picture?
He's still playing, but I don't know if he's on there.
Then when I want to go, I have to kick her out.
So I don't know how PlayStation works.
How does this work?
Yes. I don't use my account. I'm not using
Lyrical.
PlayStation. Well, I guess I'll call the.
You're on my side of
He's tired, so he's sleeping on me.
You're on my side of the bed.
I want to call the goddamn PlayStation party.
Seriously?
Seriously.
My papa's sleeping.
Well, I need my side of the bed, and that is Beba's pups.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm tired.
Alright, can you move over some more, please? Ow. Did you drop cereal on the floor? Beba's over there making coffee. Since we still don't have the K-Cup machine, she's gotta do it the long way. Like I said, if y'all want to be nice and send a cash app for a K-Cup machine, or send the K-Cup machine. Walmart got it. I think it's 1988. If they still have the one I'm talking about, because it was mainstay. Gotta look it up and see. Hi. We low-key ate breakfast and I forgot to record it.
Hi. Why?
Because I don't have no contacts in, so I gotta find where your face is.
Okay.
I found your face.
Yeah.
And you're in the camera. See? I can survive.
Huh?
What?
Bill made egg and cheese. Delano and Lyrical had cereal.
No, dude. They kicked
And
me
we're
out the
still in
game
the
for
dark.
some reason. I don't know. It just
All
said
that
something
rain
kicked me out
outside.
the
It
game.
is
Hopefully
raining
today's my
hard.
third time. No, it's
And
not. Goddamn. Alright,
yeah.
whatever.
I really just want to go
The
back to
one
sleep.
thing I hate about RB World is that if you leave during a rec match, it bans
And then
you.
I gotta deal with
Like
that.
it literally bans you from the game for like.
He doesn't know how to talk.
Depends on how many
voice.
times you left. So like, say you left 5 times, you're like 1 hour. Well, I most.
So last week I dropped the ball and I didn't do Lyrical schedule for the week. And every morning we were scrambling to figure out at what time we had to have her up by. Like for the next, every night we were scrambling to figure out at what time we had to have her up by for the next day. And it was just a lot of unnecessary like BS. So I told myself I was gonna make sure that today I did the schedule and I was on it. We're gonna have to redo these braids because they're like.
Can I say hi?
Yeah.
Hi.
I don't have the clipboard. I need something to write in. So I gotta go in here.
That dude's toxic.
And I gotta
He teabagged me multiple times.
check her live classes, their schedule, what time.
Even though I never teabagged him.
And plan the whole day.
What?
Lana, do me a favor.
Huh?
Can you pass me that ink binder?
Okay, Mom. I'm gonna join the new server.
Okay, Monday is the 16th.
Okay, I'm in the new server.
Let's see what first class. 9:45. We got reading in the school. So 7 o'clock is fresh.
How many kills do I even have?
Then at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I got 64 kills.
At 8 o'clock.
Why can't I hear it from your mic?
Get ready. I'm just gonna put it as get ready. I usually put a class, but I realized that she doesn't actually get to do that class at that time.
Of course it's right.
We're more trying to get her ready, so there's no point in doing that because then it falls us behind on the classes. So I'm just gonna put get ready. Then at 9, let's see what other classes she has. Because at 9:45 is Oh. She has only 4 classes that are not live, and then one of them is not mandatory.
2 free kills.
So she only has 3 classes. So I can actually leave her. I'll let her have downtime until 9:45. So downtime until 9:45.
I'm trying to help this man. He's doing
Oh, buddy.
So at 10:25, this isn't gonna work because this is every hour. So this weekly plan is gonna work. Girl's trying to help me, but it's not gonna work. Because 9:45 is live reading until 10:25. Alright, let's do it like this. What's the next class? Is until 11:30. So then we can do phonics. 10:30. We can do phonics. Gonna give you a brain break. Brain break.
This man is sweating his balls off.
And then 11:30.
This man is sweating his balls off, bro.
12 live.
The same.
Intro. That ends at 12.
It's not even that good.
Oh, she can't go to that because she has math. Never mind.
Are you checking? I have 4.
Live math class.
Oh, we're skipping that art.
How
There's no art. Yes, there is. You can't go to art because you have reading at that time.
Okay, this man is a sweat. I can tell.
Ouch.
This man does not stop playing this game.
Alright, then I'll give her a brain break. After that ends at 12.
This man is a sweat.
So we can do a brain break. Brain break. Oh wait. I'm not gonna be here. I leave for my appointment. Hold on, you guys. Just to show you guys what I'm looking at. Sorry, Beba had texted me. She was going to the store and I had to turn my card on. But I want to show you guys what I'm looking at. So, guys, this is how it looks like. This top bar right here shows all of her live classes that she has that are live. Now, the ones that say required are the ones she's mandatory for her to go to. The ones that are optionals are just if she would like to attend, she can. And then down here, all the classes that she has on a daily basis. On this particular day, for some reason, it's only 4. It's never really been that low unless it's a Friday, and this isn't a Friday, so I don't know what's going on. But like I'll show you. Hold on, let me go to Tuesday and see what's going on Tuesday. See how here it says 6 classes for Tuesday, along with all the live classes that she has as well. So I gotta plan all that out. Because she still gotta take all these classes along with all of the mandatory ones here. And then the optional ones, like I don't want her to be missing PE class unless she can't go because she has a mandatory class. But they offer it more than once a week, so she's able to take it on another day. And let's see, music class. She'll be able to attend this one because she'll be done with math by the time that one goes. And what else? NK enrichment. She'll be able to attend as well. Alright, I gotta finish figuring this out. And then this is how I'm trying to put it on my weekly planner. Hold on. On my weekly planner, I'm trying to write out her schedule so that we can get it together. And I'm trying to take into consideration like our doctor's appointments and stuff like that. And I forgot on Monday, we're all actually leaving. I have my physical therapy at 11 o'clock in the morning, just me. And then I come back, but then Biba's going with Lyrical to Biba's doctor's appointment at 2:45. And then I have a pain management appointment at 2:45 as well. So we got to make sure that we're done with school by then, but it's only 4 classes. So that kind of works out. It just depends how I break the schedule down for us to be done before then.
Oh, he loves.
So that's a little summary of what I'm trying to do so I can get this figured out. Okay, so she has what? Only 3 classes that are mandatory on that day. So we take a brain break and do lunch, and we actually eat until the one. Lyrical, please stop. You ate. 12 to 1. And then we do English. Give her more cereal, please. English at 1. Pick up time. Delano, can you please get her more cereal? Thank you. No, you know what I think we'll do? Let's not do lunch right there. I'm not gonna do a brain break. I think it's better if we just knock it out straight. Knock it out straight. And we can feed her before we leave. So math class will be till from 11:30 to 12. And we can do English. Then we can do math. And she'll be done at 1:30. Then we can eat. And by then, it'll be time for us to leave. To get picked up by the Medicare. Go to the doctor's appointment. That way, so then when we come back, she ain't gotta worry about doing no courses because she'll be completely done with school. So that works. Alright, I figured that out. Now let's figure out Tuesday. Are there any appointments for Tuesday that I can recall? There are not. But I don't know where my notebook is, where I keep all of the appointments.
What did he say? Isn't he giving you free kills? Well, wait, so I'm pretty sure when they leave, he gives you the kill anyways. And I think an extra one too.
I don't know where my notebook is. I keep a notebook.
How is he even joining the same game over and over?
It's not gonna hold. That cup doesn't have anything. If you put that there, you're gonna drop the cup. If you do that, you're gonna drop my tripod.
Likes delicate china. You have to be very, very
I can't put my tripod there.
because
Because the recording's gonna pick up your phone. Lyrical just had to eat. She just had to eat. And I don't know where to put you guys because I'm on the bed.
From there?
I don't have anywhere there because it's not going to face me, Lyrical.
Don't face your back.
I don't know. I guess it'll have to work. This is why I don't record every day. This is why I don't record every day. Tuesday, how we working this out? Alright, we already know that we're waking up at 7 o'clock. And we're gonna try to eat breakfast at that time. So let me just write this for the next 2 days. You know you didn't ask? I never answered. Did you hear me say yes or no to you?
Sorry.
Y'all gotta stop eating just the Captain Crunch.
Okay.
Viva hasn't been able to really enjoy any of it.
Okay. Also, tell you about that. She won't eat anything other than the Captain Crunch. She won't eat anything other than the Captain Crunch.
Then she about to not eat cereal. Alright, get ready. And then 9:45. She's got reading. Beautiful 9:45. Reading. Alright, and we got 6 classes. Let's see, we got health, fitness and health, science, phonics, English, and math. 5 classes. 5 classes. Let's do phonics next. Let's get phonics out of the way. She kind of dreads that one. Let's get phonics out of the way. think?
Seriously, just not. Sorry. Sorry, my foot. Keep rubbing everything on my side. Not everything.
I'm not gonna play more. Huh? I'm not gonna play a dead game.
Alright, I finished. So here goes Monday through Tuesday through Wednesday. Bam. And then Thursday and Friday.
Can I have my soda?
Yeah.
Can I saw in the fridge, please?
Stop.
You never asked.
She's been asking.
She been asking all morning.
Wait, I never heard it yet. That's what you
Obviously, we didn't answer because it was too early.
Okay, you were answering now?
Yeah, that's fine.
If you're getting one, especially.
I will try.
Alright, you can have this now and put it on the fridge.
And you
We're about
like
to get
over
started
there,
in 15
you're rushing
minutes.
me, basically.
Lyrical, can you please stop brushing him? Lyrical, are you done with your bowl? So where does it go?
I want to put mine in the sink anymore.
You should have walked.
Whose cup was that?
Miracles.
So Lyrical, if that was your cup, where does it go? Do you mind throwing mommy's plate out? And Biba, you're gonna have to clean the table. You heard me?
Sorry, Biba.
Biba, you heard me?
Huh?
You're gonna have to clean the table. That's why she said sorry, Biba.
Okay.
They're all in the fridge. It's easy to run in my tea. Tender.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Mom.
What?
Mine.
It's mine.
Why did you hit me? Why are you abusing me knowing I have chronic pain?
Look.
Why would you abuse me?
Mom.
Every day it sounds bad.
Mom.
You're
Oh,
hurting her. Like, you're making it sound like I'm actually using you.
whoa, you hit a person with chronic pain, Delano.
I tapped you.
That still hurts to me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Mom.
Feels like being
I got it an orange.
At least you didn't
You got an orange teeth?
Yeah.
Oh.
From an actual orange.
Look at what you did.
How did I do that?
You literally just did that right now.
How?
I see the orange seed. We talked about seeds in class, right?
I dropped it in between your legs.
I see.
Well, I
This
mean,
is my orange seed.
Okay, they saw it. Back up. It's Philly cheesesteak for dinner. Sorry, y'all. Kind of forgot to vlog.
I forgot to defrost the goddamn.
Huh?
Tell me I forgot to defrost the goddamn meat.
Oh, Delano forgot to defrost the meat. Bib asked me to take it out earlier so we could have it ready to cook, and
But then one of y'all asked me to do something else, and
he got sidetracked. But yeah, Lyrical's food. We each have 2 sandwiches.
Mine's different.
We ran out of hamburger bread.
Yeah.
And Delano playing his games like always.
Thanks for the drink. You get pretty salty.
Hey, it's me, y'all, your girl, Lamb.
She really is
and
camera
Cole.
hungry. She really is camera hungry, Mom. You're right. You're definitely right.
Grandma Nun. Welcome to our video. It's a song. It's a rhyme. Slide. And what this is my mommy. Now it's your turn.
My turn for what?
Your turn to talk.
Oh, are you gonna eat your food now, Bubba?
Yeah. With the greatest mommy. Are you using the charger? Are you sealing the stuff?
Again, I have the charger. I'll use the charger.
Originally, she had it and you took
she
it.
doesn't need it. The job phone is like, hang on. Her job phone is 47.
47.
Mine at 9.
Lyrical, let Delano use it.
Look.
Yeah, let Delano use it, baby. Y'all gonna stop treating my wire like that.
I'm not trying
You
to.
choose me to death.
Alright, are you gonna get ready to eat your
It's not the
food?
cameras on.
Yeah, I like that.
Why are you so close to the camera?
I choose to sit there.
Delano's there, Lyrical.
Sorry.
You can't sit there if Delano's there.
What? To sit there.
You better
Hey, Mom,
forget, my
I have a
legs
question.
are here.
Anytime the camera's on, why does she always come over the top?
I don't know.
It's just like the 5-year-old attention thing.
I don't know.
Okay. So, like how I talk when I jump.
Are you going to eat your food? Lyrical, you're not going to move my legs. No, you're not moving my legs. So you can sit down. You have a whole side of your bed right there.
Not whole.
Sit on your side of the bed.
I don't have a whole side.
Okay, but you still have a corner of your side of the bed that you can sit on. Sit on.
Oh, not to Donna. I know you don't know that.
You are a pain in my booty.
And I know you can't say that because I don't know what English is. I'm trying to do English or Puerto Rico.
You mean Spanish?
Can I do like Puerto Rico?
You mean Spanish?
Puerto Rico. Yeah.
Okay, Bubba, I'm turning.
I just mean both.
I'm turning the camera off now.
No, my babies.
Oh, bye. Alright, y'all. It's 10:36. I almost forgot that I need to end you guys. It's the weekend, so
You can just stay up.
y'all about to go to bed soon. But I'm ending the video because last night I passed out, forgot I posted it late. And I'm not going to try to do that tonight, so I want to get it up. You're not even on the camera yet. Can you wait? Gosh, you all on top. And hold on.
Thanks for watching. Bye. And now let me stop.
No, how you gonna stop the video? Nope, you didn't stop it.
gold.